Over 20 years ago, Hide-A-Hose launched the first retractable hose central vacuum system. However, when considering a retractable hose central vacuum system today, there is more than one option. In this video, we will compare the Hide-A-Hose and Chameleon retractable hose systems. We'll delve into key aspects of both systems to help you make an informed choice. Perhaps the biggest difference between Hide-A-Hose and Chameleon is the way you lock and seal the hose. With the Hide-A-Hose system, you can lock and seal the hose at any length. With the Chameleon, you must pull the entire hose all the way out to lock and seal the hose. Why is this such a big deal? There are many times when you need to clean up a mess just a few feet away. You may not want to pull 50 foot of hose out every time you vacuum. With the Hide-A-Hose patented locking and sealing system, you have full suction at any length of hose, whether it is 15 feet away or 50. Not only does the Hide-A-Hose system seal at any length, it also locks at any length so that the hose will not retract while you are vacuuming. With the Chameleon, the hose will start retracting on its own if the hose is not pulled all the way out. The Chameleon representative might say this is not an issue, but if this is true, then why does the Chameleon now offer a clumsy locking clip to prevent hose retraction? The locking clip comes with a clip holder that is taped onto the door. The idea is to pull out the amount of hose needed and insert the clip. What most people don't realize is that with the Chameleon, the only time you have full suction is when the hose is pulled all the way out. If you use the Chameleon system when the hose is not pulled all the way out, suction is reduced by as much as 32%. With that kind of power loss, the Chameleon struggles to provide enough suction for certain accessories unless the hose is fully extended and locked. So why did Chameleon opt for this design? It's quite simple. The hose locking and sealing mechanism is patented by Hide-A-Hose. Chameleon had to adopt an inferior design in an attempt to work around the patent, which meant sacrificing functionality and convenience. Another difference between the two systems is the on and off switch. The Hide-A-Hose valve has an easily accessible and visible on and off switch. Users can operate the system with ease thanks to the user-friendly design of the switch, which is conveniently placed for quick access. On the other hand, the Chameleon switch is positioned behind the hose, necessitating users to navigate by feel rather than sight. This arrangement can be less convenient when compared to the Hide-A-Hose intuitive switch placement. Both valves can be installed going upward or downward. When installed downward, the Hide-A-Hose on and off switch remains visible. On the other hand, the on and off switch on the Chameleon is even more difficult to locate. An argument can be made for a valve like the Chameleon that only gives you full cleaning power if it is pulled completely out. However, Hide-A-Hose believes this design should be for quick clean areas like laundry rooms or master bathrooms. In fact, Hide-A-Hose has a valve that works exactly the way the Chameleon valve works. It's designed for quick cleaning since the hose must be pulled all the way out. It's called the Mini, and it is about half the price of the Chameleon. Not only is the Hide-A-Hose Mini valve half the price of the Chameleon, it's also 33% smaller. The Mini looks identical to the Hide-A-Hose full-featured valve, only smaller, so both valves can be installed in a house for a completely integrated system. In the end, the Hide-A-Hose system offers several advantages over the Chameleon, primarily in its sealing and locking mechanism, convenient switch placement, reduced size, and the inclusion of a mini valve option. The focus on aesthetics and performance makes Hide-A-Hose a compelling choice for homeowners seeking a functional and visually appealing central vacuum system.